Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a countdown formula in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet, then click on the cell where you want to store your target date. Choose a clear and easy to find spot and consider adding a label next to it so you will always remember what that date represents. Now enter your target date in that cell. Next, select the cell where you want the countdown number to appear. Place it near your target date for clarity and add a quick label like days remaining. Now create a formula that subtracts today's date from your target date. Click on the countdown cell. Start with an equal sign. Then click the cell containing your target date to reference it. Type a minus sign and then use the built-in function that returns the current date. Click on enter and you will see how many days remain until the target date. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.